Hey everyone, Jordan and Barry here are the Brownstone boys, and today we are not in Brooklyn, New York. We are in High Point, North Carolina at the world's largest furniture market, High Point Market.
So High Point is a small town right outside of Greensboro, North Carolina, and it is the largest furniture market in the world. It's absolutely amazing. There are over 2,000 exhibitors, and we're not just talking little booths. We're talking thousands and thousands of square feet of furniture. So all the furniture companies literally in the world come here to display their latest and greatest stuff. And so it's super fun to come and get a good look.
We are so excited. We have been here before, but this time we are taking part in the Influencer Design Tour. They have carefully selected 14 designers, and we're very excited to get to know these designers because they are extremely talented and they come from all over the world. So this group is formed and we are taking over High Point Market for 2 days and going into furniture shops that have been very carefully selected, and we're gonna take you along with us on our journey inside some of these really beautiful shops.
And if you're wondering what is High Point and should you go, really, if you are an interior designer or you're an aspiring interior designer or you just like home design, it really is amazing. You really just get a feel for what's out there and the type of furniture that's available. And if you ever wonder like where designers get all this furniture that you're not able to buy just online yourselves, well this is it. This is where it is. This is where those furniture companies display. So it's really cool to come and see it.
We are starting the day bright and early. It's about 7:30 a.m. Our tour is going to take off at 8:30, so we're kind of filling out the space. We love seeing some familiar faces around here, but we also love meeting new faces. Our friends here. So we're going to take you guys along with us, and happy market.
So there are people from all over the world here. You hear different languages, different accents, and it's just really amazing to see everyone come together and you meet so many people and make so many connections, and it's one of the things that we like the most about coming. I mean, obviously, it's amazing to see all the beautiful furniture and see what's coming out for the next season, but you get to meet so many people. There's panels that people speak at. Justina Blakeney, who is a designer that we absolutely adore, was the keynote speaker this year. So it's really great, and you have the chance to meet these people. The Property Brothers, Jonathan and Drew Scott, were here, so we got a chance to say hi to them. So it's really cool to make connections with other fellow designers and get an understanding of what they're doing and kind of talk shop with them a little bit. So it's always fun.
Market is so organized. We have shuttles that pick you up at the hotel, even if you're not on the designer influencer tour. And for this entire week, the whole town turns into market. So everyone is wishing each other a good market, and it's just really a fun time. So tips and tricks if you are heading to the market. Number one is invest in good quality walking shoes. You don't have to be too fashion forward. You just want to make sure you have the right comfortable shoe because you will be doing a lot of walking.
Number two is book your hotel room early. It is a small town. There's not a lot of hotels. There's lots of cities around that you can stay in, Greensboro, Winston-Salem. So definitely book your hotel room. I would suggest definitely months ahead of time,
if not a year ahead. Number three is do your research beforehand. Market does a wonderful job of letting you know all the vendors that will be showing. So research and really nail down what showrooms you want to see and spend time in.
You don't need a car. It's obviously in this part of the world, you do need to drive a lot, but they have it all worked out. There's shuttle buses that take you to and from your hotel, no matter what hotel you're staying in. There's ways to get around even in High Point. You can really walk around to all the showrooms, so it's pretty easy. But parking is tough. So you don't want to have a car. Definitely just plan on walking around and taking the shuttle bus.
And number five, have fun. It is 2 times a year, and designers from all over the world and just people that are in the industry that are very passionate about furniture, design. We all come together to take part in market, so you want to enjoy your trip.
So I hope you guys were able to learn what High Point Market is all about. It really is very cool, and we hope you enjoyed the designer tour.
We got to get back to Brooklyn, but subscribe to our channel below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.